look at exactly what's on the agenda for the opposition. They're going to be raising a number of issues in the monsoon session. Remember that this is the first session after the second COVID wave, so that's something they're going to raise. The opposition has time and again said that the government did not handle the COVID crisis well. Mismanagement led to the loss of many lives. They're also going to be raising the fuel price hike. We've been seeing fuel prices going up every single day nearly in the country. That's something the opposition will raise. Rising inflation, rising costs, all of this is going to be brought up by the opposition in the monsoon session. A slump in economic growth is something the opposition leaders will be raising. They're going to be demanding answers from the government on what's being done on the revival front. The farm laws, this was brought up in the previous session of Parliament, will be brought up this time as well, because so far there's been no consensus between the protesting farmers and the government. The vaccination drive is another important issue the opposition will raise. They've been citing a shortage of vaccine supply to several states, saying that the vaccine rate is slowing down. The LAC standoff, again an issue that was raised in the previous session, will be raised this time as well, with the opposition demanding answers on the current situation at the line of actual control. The Rafale deal is something that the Congress has been raising repeatedly, and with France demanding an investigation, they're saying that here too there should be a probe. These are the issues that will be raised by the opposition. Let me take this across now to Kamaljit Sandhu. She's joining us live with the latest updates on this. Kamaljit, we just had the Prime Minister speaking a few minutes ago. He said that he's willing to speak in Parliament about the handling of the COVID crisis to answer some of the questions of the opposition. Are they going to, and really, if you could tell us, what is the opposition strategy? Are they going to be raising these issues one at a time? Are they seeking a debate? Or are they saying that, we're going to ensure that the Prime Minister speaks in particular?
Akshita, this is an outreach by the Prime Minister. Let me tell you, there's an issue that I can actually hear now. But if I got the question right, what is important is the Prime Minister's outreach as far as the opposition is concerned. Also, what is significant is that he said that the time should be given to the government. Now, he also offered that he will, and he's willing to make a presentation before the opposition outside, something which was rejected. But he's reiterated it today again. The COVID management, the vaccination, that is where the government's policy as of now. Clearly, there are issues which are on a plateau, whether this is price rise, fuel hike, inflation, job crisis. Then there is the China, LAC and the Rafale issue. So all of these are key significant times. The government is saying that they're willing to answer all questions, provided there's cooperation which is coming in. So he says, "Theek sawal puche, lekin jawab ka samay dijiye." So that is where things really stand. But we do expect fireworks, especially in the light of the surveillance issues and the Pegasus matter. Even their own MP, Subramanian Swamy, saying that the Home Minister should make a statement before the Parliament. These are issues which are going to be raising. Besides the farmer issue, remember, the agitation of the farmer is still ongoing. They are threatened to get out of the Parliament. Security is being tightened. And these are all ongoing crisis issues which Modi government have to answer and also convince the opposition to be on board. 38 bills in all, 17 of them extremely significant, is the target of Modi's government. It's starting today, the Parliament session, going on till 13th of August. So clearly work pressure also there. There are new cabinet ministers, new faces, and all these are going to be introduced both in the houses, but as well, the performance is going to be an issue as well as answering some tough questions.
Absolutely. Kamaljit, thank you for those details. The Prime Minister in his message saying that we welcome a discussion, a healthy discussion is what he's put out an appeal for. Importantly, also saying that he's willing to speak on exactly how the government has handled the COVID crisis as well as the challenges ahead.